DATaRec 4, we used this little darling for data acquisition in the past nearly 20 years.
Yeah.
And it has done a great job, but unfortunately it has been discontinued.
Yes, the problem is some of the channels doesn't work anymore, so they're just dead, and I cannot replace them. I cannot build or buy a new system, and so this full thing will not work in the future anymore.
Yeah, but there were a lot of things we liked on the system.
Especially this model structure is perfect. You see, we want to do a measurement on the heat pump system here, and therefore we need some vibrations on the compressor, and some vibration have to be measured on the other side, and some vibration have to be measured completely on the other field of the full system heat pump, now inside in the room or in the building. So you have to separate all the models, and this is possible with the DATaRec system. So that's what I like. I don't want to carry the big mainframe just to carry maybe 6 or 5 channels. You know?
This is HEADlab. It's the data acquisition system we use today.
On the first view, I see it's definitely more compact than the DATaRec 4 system. So the question is, how much chance does this big system have here?
It's a 78 channel system.
78 channels, okay. And how much, whoa, that's turning on. How much channels do we have here?
This is also a 78 channel system.
It's the same number of channels?
Yeah, you can compare the number of channels. Yeah.
Wow.
It has some advantages, like very low power consumption, makes it stay cool, yeah, and you don't need a fan. So if you're using it for acoustic measurements in, for example, a vehicle cabin, it does not produce any sound.
It's fanless.
It is totally fanless.
Wow.
You can use it with a split module, so you can detach the modules here and put them to different places.
Okay, that's what I need. Yeah, fine.
Yeah. And it has another topology, so it's not a daisy chain topology as we saw here, but a star type topology. So you can spread modules from the controller to all directions. So it's like all modern computer networks are doing it.
Yeah. So we have decided not to use the DATaRec 4 system anymore because we can replace it by the HEADlab system. It's a more modern system, and I love it.
So if you would like to work with a state-of-the-art data acquisition frontend for multi-physics data, consider our HEADlab and check our website.